How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys go down, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're uploading once a week on here as of right now. We might start uploading more, but every Thursday you should see a video on here. Today's video was supposed to be something completely different, but I didn't really like the video that I made, and my GoPro 360 camera just arrived. So we're gonna go test this thing out and kind of see how the footage comes out and do a little bit of a test video, see how you guys like it, and maybe some tips that you guys have if you own one of these. Did watch some videos and kind of got an idea, but let's do a first real test. And I think, should we take that bike, the Buell? I'm still trying to decide, but let's figure it out and take one of the bikes out. So the Buell is the winner for the day, and the reason for that is because it has the easiest place I can see to hook up. I can just put the camera right there. On the GB I couldn't really find a place, and I don't want to take the BMW out, so I'm already losing like 5% of battery, so let's see if we can speed this up a little, I guess. Alright, so I'm not really too sure how the camera works. I'm not really too sure what you're even seeing right now. All of this is gonna have to be put into post-production and kind of see how it comes out. Obviously you're not going to be able to hear me because I don't have a microphone on my helmet yet. That's one of the things I am working on, and we'll have sooner than later. But let's check it out. Give the bike a little cold start up. I actually need gas, and just take a quick ride to the gas station and back, and I think we'll have a little bit of footage to understand how the camera works. have to pick mine up. Hey. After like a whole summer not having to buy this thing. And just like that, we're back at home. I see the mailman at the neighbor's house, so maybe, the mailman will have my pole for this camera, and if she does, I think you know what we're about. I think you know what I'm getting at here. Anyways, we might have to take it out for round 2. I don't know how any of this came out. This could be all garbage, and you could be just watching a garbage video right now. Either way, I hope it came out decent. Again, like I was saying, this was not the video I had intended for today. I didn't expect this camera to come until tomorrow, realistically. I got a couple of the parts, like I got this mount that the camera's sitting on yesterday, but I didn't think I'd get the camera until tomorrow, Friday. The video I made yesterday or the day before, and well, I didn't like the video. I just didn't like how it came out. The way I explained what I was explaining, it was a kind of a how to ride video, and I went into too much detail, and then I didn't go into enough detail on the things that I was supposed to go in detail on, and the camera, like footage, I just didn't like. I didn't like how it was set up. I might use like bits and pieces from that because there were a couple good shots and re-record the entire video. Also, it's really gloomy out today. The sun's just starting to come out. I think the clouds are headed that way, or at least they hope they are. I'm already on 4% battery just from going to the gas station and back. So I really hope that once I charge it up, the camera battery gets better. So I'm not sure how that came out at all. If that even came out good. First test on the GoPro 360 camera. If you guys want to see more on the 360, make sure you guys subscribe. Probably be posting a reel, at least at the very minimum, on my Instagram with this footage, so go check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below on what you want to see on this channel going forward. Trying to make some entertaining videos, but I didn't like the video I made this week. I should be making multiple videos, and I should be uploading more than once. I should be uploading twice a week, I think, but right now I'm gonna do once a week because I'm still focused on my other channel, as it is much bigger and a lot more people seem to be enjoying that. Even though in the last video, you guys killed the views. It got over 400 views in less than a week. So I got for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.